Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, we have a very interesting question to solve. The question said, given that square root of a plus 1 over square root of a equals to 10 over 3, we are told to find a and express it in this form. A plus 1 over a should be equals to what? You understand? So in summary, this question wants us to calculate the value of a. You understand? We'll be getting it from here. So how do we do this? Let's see. Solution. So there are so many methods at which you can do this, but I feel this particular one I'll be doing is the more easy one. So because I can start with, we know that square root of a plus 1 over square root of a is 10 over 3. This is the first part of the question that I know about, right? So we can find the LCM because this is over 1, right? We can find the LCM. What's the LCM? That's square root of a, right? So that 1 into square root of a will give us square root of a. Square root of a times square root of a will give us a plus square root of a to square root of a will give us 1. 1. 1 times 1 will be 1. This is equals 10 over 3. But recall that if I have two things, let's say I have something like x over y to be 5 over 3, it means x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3, right? So I want to apply the same thing here. For the numerator, which is the what I have on top, is given by a plus 1 is equals 10, right? Which implies from that part, I can have it that a is equals to 10 minus 1, which means a is equals to what? 9, because 10 minus 1 is what? 9. So you see clearly, if I will use that particular information I have for the value of a and substitute here, I'll have it that, because let me do something here. Square root of what is a? 9 is equals to, what's the square root of 9? That's 3, which is respecting this with this, right? So since we've gotten that a equals to 9, remember what the question said, find a plus 1 over a, right? So I'll have, what is a, which is 9 plus 1 over 9. That's what I want to write, Abi. So we are going to have, this is over 1. The LCM here is what? 9. So 1 into 9 is 9. 9. 9 times 9, that's 81. Plus, right? 9 into 9 is 1. 1 times this will give me what? That's 1. So our answer is going to be 82 over 9, which you can break it down, but I would prefer to leave it in this form. Thanks for watching.